Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a maintenance page on SiteGround. I just tap on a Safari browser and you will have to purchase the plan for account. If you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. So use a maintenance plugin. There are plugin for web application that provide maintenance functionally depending on the plugin used. The maintenance and may be different, but usually visitor to your website see a coming soon page or a page that shows a timer how much is left until the website is publicly accessible. So maintenance you will see, and it makes some disturbance for trouble, and you can find such plugin in the official extension and of the website's application. To add password protection on your website, go to your site tools, security protected URLs, and block all access and allow only your IP. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.